Ancient traditions passed down for years. Secret beauty regimes gatekept by royalty. Powerful active ingredients found in the precious red ginseng and silver mushroom. Enhanced by Korean handbang biotechnology. Discover the answer to ageless beauty. Sooryehan.
This is the night cream from Sooryehan, and they have a whole product line. Their product line is fabulous. It's all from fermented ginseng, and you can actually smell the ginseng in it, but the product is super rich, and you really don't need very much. It goes a really long way, and it just soaks into your face, and it feels so amazing. I'm 54 years old. I need all the face cream I can get, so thank you so much, Sooryehan, for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. I love my partnership with these companies, especially companies that put so much thought and care into their skincare lines. And this is from Korea. I love Korean skincare. So if you guys don't know, but their Korean skincare is by far superior to any of the other products that I've ever tried. And I try a lot of them. I test as many as I can. Said, more face cream, please. Need as much as I can get. So this one is really good. It just goes on really good. It's a good night cream. I use it in conjunction with their sleeping mask. Oh my God, the sleeping mask is amazing. But yeah, I use it in conjunction with that. But and I can use it in the morning too. But they have so many of the different products that you can just use their emulsifiers and the thing. But my skin is already feeling tighter in just a week of using it. So thank you so much.